Okay, so you want to know what's going on with the SPY, huh? Alright, well, let's get rid of some of these lines, make it visible. Oh, and by the way, I'll show you in a second. Anyway, so we have this gap here, and it's at, 369.95 is the bottom, and we have the support level at 371.42. So, I think, personally, that's where our floor is going to be for the SPY, because if we fill this gap here, the next one isn't until 344. I don't expect this to after the PAMP, but likely this could be our floor here. Now let's leave this line here, lock it up, go back to the daily. So these were the lines I had drawn before. Okay, we just added this one right here, and where are we at right now? We're at 377. So I would expect a slow drop down to this marker here, and then potentially a retracement back up to that 416 mark. So let's wait and see what happens. And these are just monetary policy lines and macroeconomic event lines, so don't worry about those. I'll get rid of them. Basically, let's bring in the RSI real quick. So you see how this setup here with these lines, which represent open gaps, matches this RSI perfectly. Right here versus right here. Same thing basically. If you pretend this line here is the bottom of this RSI and the top in this top red line is the top, it's the same shit, right? Except one difference. Right here, it was showing overbought if you consider this an RSI, but right here, it was about, slightly over fair value. So that's the difference. But I expect a floor, at least for today or this week, for around that 371.26 mark. Just saying. I got puts for today, though. Let's go, Brandon.